So if you're like me and you've been playing Sniper Elite Resistance and been experiencing lag in cutscenes as well as in-game, like real bad stuttering and stuff, then you need to do this. So if you pause the game, find game options, go to accessibility, scroll right the way down, and you're going to find the option called keyboard, mouse, and light. And you're going to turn this off. And when you turn this off, it's going to stop all the stuttering and lag in your cutscenes and also your play, because I was finding that it was being really bad. So I hope this helps, and have a great one and enjoy your game.